Okay, so today we're going to start with our guided practice. Use an open number line to find each sum. 375 plus 118 equals. This is the example from the guided practice. So I am going to go over this example right here, and then we're going to solve these together. Are you with me?
Yes.
Let me show you a trick. The first thing I'm going to do with these two numbers is I am going to rewrite my equation. I am going to rewrite starting with the big number. Starting with the what?
Big number.
Can you give me the big number? Give me, what's the big number? Yes, everybody.
375.
Plus what?
118.
That is correct. So I'm going to add. When you add, you start from the one place. So we have the H for 100, T for tens, and
O for ones.
very good. So I'm going to start adding from the one place. What is 8 plus 5? Let's count together. 8 plus 5 is what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 plus 5 is what? 13. So I'm going to write my 13 where I can see it. Which of these numbers do I need to write under the one place?
3.
3. Very good. I'm going to write the 3. Where am I going to put the 1?
On top of the tens place.
On the tens place. Very good. Thank you very much. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the tens. Can we add the tens together starting with the 1? 1 plus 7 is what?
8.
Plus 1 is what?
9.
9. I'm going to write my 9. What is 3 plus 1?
4.
So what is the answer? 493. Do you see it right there right now?
Yes.
It's telling you that's the answer. That's where you're going to arrive to. However, in order for you to arrive to this number, you have to use your number line. This is kind of like a little cheat sheet. To use your number line, you're going to write the 375 plus 118, drawing your number line, okay? You're going to break down what number? What number are you going to break down?
118.
You're going to break down 118. How many hundreds do you have here? 100. How many tens do you have?
110.
1 10. And how many ones?
8 ones.
Now we want to break the 8 ones how many times? 2 more times, right? So to break the 8 ones 2 more times, this is what we're going to do. We're going to count how many tallies?
8.
8 tallies. The reason we're counting the tallies is to help the people that can break the numbers apart, the ones apart, to help them. Focus, focus.
Stay focused.
Okay, so we are going to break this number. How many tallies? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many tallies do I have there?
8.
Okay, it's okay. So I have 8 tallies, right? So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to circle my 4 here. Sorry. So let me rewrite this 375 plus 118. I'm going to break this 100, and I'm going to break this how many times? 10. And I'm going to break this how many times? 5 and what?
3.
5 and 3. If you don't know how we got 5 and 3, I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tallies. And then I'm going to circle 5. I circle 5, and then then 3 is left. So I'm going to put them in these 2 boxes. This is the 5 here, and this is the 3 here. So now that we have our breakdown from the number line. We can go back into our number line, right?
Yes.
So we can go back to our number line. In our number line now, we start from how many hundreds? 100. What's 375 plus 100? 475. That's it right there. What is 475 plus how many tens? 110 plus 10 is what? 485. What's 485 plus 5? 490. What's 490 plus the 3? 493. Do you see how it made our number line very easy when you break the numbers? Right? Is it easier when you break it? Yeah, because you actually just look and fill in the slot. Usually on the test, they are going to leave some of the spaces blank and ask you to fill the numbers that goes in that slot. So if you understand how to line up your number line and position your addition correctly using number line, it's gonna be very easy for you to do it. Okay? So basically, this is how you are going to solve number 3.